Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Could California utilize cryptocurrency to deliver free healthcare and universal basic income? http ntvforex.com News ID ED57B2 11 minutes ago, the notion of California forging a controversial Calixita from U.S. governmental control might seem like whimsical thinking, but could the would-be state-turned-country's proposed reliance on cryptocurrencies to supply free healthcare and provide universal basic income has shown a light on how crypto brings stability for the poorest members of society. NBSP The movement, called Yes California, claims the government of California has agreed to hold a public petition on Calixita this year, with 2024 earmarked as a date for a possible referendum. NBSP But what's most intriguing is Yes California's plans on how to develop a cryptocurrency-driven economy that's designed to democratize the state's resources, land, and assets. NBSP cryptocurrencies to drive economic liberty. Driving Yes California's self-sustained cryptocurrency ambitions is Scottish blockchain expert and Xeon Energy head Alastair Caithness. With the fifth largest economy in the world, and a population of around 40 million citizens, California's cryptocurrency-based economy would be the largest and most ambitious of its kind in the world. The devised plan to utilize crypto to deliver basic services is fundamentally revolutionary, but Caithness remains a firm believer in the power of utilizing digital assets to bring about a much fairer financial landscape for citizens. The policy will involve developing a blockchain-backed cryptocurrency, Caithness explained. This will democratize ownership of the California government's land, resources, and assets through tokenization into a usable currency. It is the intention for it to be used to finance a level of free healthcare, free education, and a form of basic income for all California citizens who have struggled to achieve economic liberty under the current U.S. federal government system, Caithness explained. NBSP In the jargon-rich world of cryptocurrencies, tokenization refers to converting a physical asset, such as land, into a digital asset. NBSP In essence, this would mean that instead of investors buying a piece of land in California, it would instead be divided into hundreds of parts, and people could own or trade land by exchanging its value in the form of digital coins instead. NBSP Such transactions could only be facilitated through the use of customized cryptocurrencies that are specifically designed for the trading of assets. These may be fueled by non-KYC crypto exchanges like Evonax or Binance, or through a specially developed national exchange that can adapt to the new and ambitious purpose of specially designed crypto assets. NBSP is claimed by Yes California that allowing citizens to invest in both land and property in a compartmental manner could help to raise masses of funds that could ultimately go into implementing community-centric causes like free healthcare, free education, and universal basic income for residents. NBSP The political pipe dream. While the notion of a cryptocurrency-driven nation would be tantalizing to see in action, the fact remains that Calixita is a highly unlikely prospect. NBSP According to a poll conducted in 2017, the vast majority of voters in the state of California would prefer to stay as part of the United States. As much as 68% of voters expressed a desire to remain within the U.S., while 32% favored the notion of independence. NBSP While the news that California is likely to remain a part of the United States for the foreseeable future is unsurprising, the would-be nation could have represented a driving force in the wider adoption of digital finance as a means of replacing fiat currencies. NBSP With 40 million citizens, California would have been capable of demonstrating the largest road test to date for a society driven by cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the use of crypto assets to offer citizens land and utilizing tokenization to provide vital access to free education and healthcare could have provided other nations with an early insight into using digital currencies to create equal opportunities for all citizens. NBSP However, for all of the innovation that Calixita promises, it wouldn't stand alone as the first large-scale crypto-driven project. NBSP Piggybacking on existing initiatives for a decade, Venezuela has suffered from hyperinflation, and in a bid to stem the financial hardship facing the country, President Nicolas Maduro decided to create a brand new national cryptocurrency, called Petro. NBSP Petro is a cryptocurrency that designed to retain a consistent value by remaining pegged to the price of oil, hence its name. This, theoretically, means that Venezuela has a well-priced stablecoin that has the potential to take over from the national's ailing fiat currency, the Venezuelan bolivar. NBSP President Maduro's determination to implement the petro into daily life has seen Venezuela announce recently that tax will be taken out in the cryptocurrency in a bid to encourage wider adoption. NBSP Despite the arrival of petro, an ambitious and innovative attempt by Venezuela to confront its national financial crisis, the move has been punctuated by controversy, with countries like the US refusing to acknowledge or allow transactions with the cryptocurrency. NBSP However, there is little doubting that the Yes California movement drew some inspiration from the effectiveness of Venezuela's transition towards petro. Although in the case of California, the pegged assets would not be oil but instead land and other more sustainable commodities. NBSP is overwhelmingly likely that we want to be reading up on how California won independence from the United States and pioneered its own self-sustained tokenized crypto economy as the 2020s rumbles on, but there is hope out there for another developing nation, or innovative region to discover the potential of stabilized cryptocurrencies and their application in creating a rich economy that rewards its citizens proportionately. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.